Happy holidays, everyone. Today on Taste Test, we are trying 5 Food Network star cookie recipes.
What is your go-to cookie to bring to a Christmas or a holiday party?
Our go-to cookie that we bring to pretty much all events is actually on this table.
Do you have a favorite cookie?
Peanut blossoms.
Okay, peanut blossoms. You probably already all know this. It's just, I guess what my family calls, it's the peanut butter cookie that you have rolled in sugars and then you press it down.
Oh, yes.
With a chocolate kiss.
I said this to you before, but 1 and 4 aren't super exciting to me. If I was at a cookie party and I saw those 2 cookies, I'd be I would skip over them immediately.
These remind me of cookies that my grandma's always made. I also am a huge jelly fan. Jelly over peanut butter any day.
Oh, wow.
In my opinion.
I disagree. This sounds like a food debate.
It certainly is.
If you guys haven't seen our new show, Food Debates, yet, check it out for sure. It's a good one. Okay, let's review who we have to choose from.
Okay, so we have Katie Lee, we have Giada, Sunny Anderson, Ree Drummond, and Ina Garten.
Love it.
What a good lineup.
Before me and Rachel get to tasting these delicious holiday cookies, don't forget to subscribe down below and also hit that little bell notification right there so you guys get notified every time we upload a new video. This is peanut butter and jelly cookie.
Oh yeah, peanut butter and jelly.
I judged this cookie too quickly. This is really good. This could definitely be a Sunny Anderson thing, peanut butter and jelly cookie.
It's like a peanut blossom.
It is.
With jelly instead.
With jelly, instead of a kiss.
Okay, you think Sunny?
I think Katie Lee made this. That's my guess.
That'd be a guess.
I know, because she loves the peanut butter and jelly.
Yeah.
The verdict's still out on this one.
Yeah.
I'll go with last for now.
So now we have Rachel's classic Christmas cookie, which right off the bat, I think it's Giada. And by your face, I think that I'm right!
It is.
Okay.
It's Giada's lemon cookie. It's wonderful.
I just feel it's like a lemon ricotta cookie.
Yeah, it's exactly what it is. It's a lemon ricotta cookie. Wow, good for you.
God. The
They're
icing
so yum.
is super zesty and citrusy and really zingy.
Super tangy, yeah, whoa.
I love how the frosting just gets nice and crunchy on the top.
And then the cookie's super soft and a really sweet cookie, and it's like a pillow.
They're unbelievable.
So good. These are my favorite.
Definitely Giada.
Now we have number 3, which looks like a Rice Krispie chocolate thing, right?
Is it Rice Krispie or is it granola?
I don't know. I think it might be oats.
I just don't want to bring this to my holiday party.
Oh, it literally looks like it's just oats covered in chocolate.
It's literally oats, like a fudge cookie, but with it's fudge.
No bake.
Okay, however, it's pretty good.
I'm not as much of a fan. I think the chocolate's a little too much for me.
I want to throw my guess out as Sunny Anderson. I'm still going to stick Katie, Giada, Sunny.
I'm gonna say Sunny, Giada, Katie Lee.
I don't know, I mean, I do definitely see this as a kind of bulk holiday cookie recipe. I'll go, yeah, I think Ree.
This is a Ree cookie. Oh, Ree.
America, I hate coconut.
Do you really?
Taking one for the team here.
It looks like there's some sort of raspberry jam in the middle with some desiccated coconut around the outside.
I have to say, the coconut's not that bad.
It feels fancy. It feels maybe a little French, maybe?
I just think this is Ina. I just feel like this is an elevated cookie.
This is Ina for sure. It's gotta be.
This is an Ina Garten cookie. I approve.
So you know that this is quality ingredients. This is not a store-bought.
You know in the episode.
Got this at a farmer's market.
You know
or
in the episode where she made these cookies, she went to the farmer's market before and took us grocery shopping
she
and
did.
got the jam, and she showed us how the jam was made in the jam factory.
And then she looked at you and said, "But store-bought's fine." This is your classic sugar cookie that you do the stencils, you cut them out.
Okay, this is a little bit of a curveball.
This is a total curveball. Tell us why.
Okay, I honestly think Giada could have come up with this. She's got a little child. She's always doing the sleepover. All the girls and boys come over. They make cookies. They get messy. Okay, this actually could be Giada's cookie.
I had the same thought.
That's a sugar cookie.
That's a classic sugar cookie, yeah.
Ree.
100%.
My gut told me this is Katie, but my mind tells me it could be Giada.
Okay. And it's a simple Christmas cookie. It's what Ree would serve her children. Which was your favorite cookie? Yeah, we know.
I mean, we know that number 2, but number 4 also. These are the best 2. I don't even think I could pick one. They're so tied. I'm gonna start making
Really?
these. Yeah.
I'm honestly gonna go ahead and say number 1, but only because I love peanut butter so much.
I'm gonna say the lemon ricotta was my favorite.
I loved the lemon cookie, but it was a little too sweet for me, so my favorite would be the peanut butter and jelly one.
All right, should we see who number 1 is?
Sunny.
Okay, Sunny, I'm gonna say Katie Lee.
You said Sunny.
I said Sunny
And
Anderson.
I agree with your thoughts on that, so let's just see how we did.
We have Sunny Anderson!
Oh my gosh.
Sunny Anderson! There you go. You say Giada, I say Katie.
Let's see.
I know this is Giada.
Number 2.
I wonder who it is.
This is Giada! Of course
Giada! Okay,
Okay.
so number 3, I mean, obviously I had said Sunny Anderson. You had said Katie Lee.
I think we both agree.
If it's not the Pioneer Woman, then I don't know who it is.
And it is Miss Katie Lee.
Whoop, whoop.
Oh!
Oh my gosh!
Number 4, you wanna do this one?
Number 4 is
Yeah.
gotta be, we said Ina.
We said
right?
Ina.
Woo! Barefoot Contessa.
Of course.
Yes, okay, wow, I got 5 for 5.
So,
Last but not least is, of course, Pioneer Woman.
She always has that classic recipe for you. Fun times.
Wonderful time.
Happy holidays to me. I'm still the reigning champ.
Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite holiday cookie is to make, and have a happy holidays. Bye.
Bye.